But before I sign off, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Pakistan Television from the bottom of my heart for having enriched my life in so many different ways for over 4 decades. I also take this opportunity to thank Pakistan Television for enabling me to touch the minds and hearts of millions of fellow Pakistanis, young and old, literate and otherwise, for such a long time. So, thank you, PTV News. You have made me what I am today, and I am deeply grateful to this organization. God bless PTV, and goodbye, and happy Ramzan al-Mubarak.
And viewers, I have had the honor of reading my very first bulletin of my career with Shaista, and also the last one. This is Shaista's last. We have our editor, Mr. Atar Farooq Butcher, in the studios with us, and he's going to thank Shaista on our behalf and also on the behalf of Pakistan Television. Welcome, Butcher.
Hadia, this is very difficult to say goodbye to an institution, to a legend like Shaista Zaid. We've been working with her for almost 3 decades, and if Shaista has the bulletin, we were really confident that if I made a mistake in my story, that will be edited out, and sometimes on the air.
Auto-corrected.
On the air. And she has set up such a high standard, such a high notch, that we don't have any words to say to Shaista. She is inspiration for all of us, and above all, she is an institution unto herself. Pakistan Television is heavily indebted to Shaista Zaid, including her raison d'etre, Assalamu alaikum. Nobody could ever say that again. Shaista, Pakistan Television thanks you. And my last words are that you may not be reading the news, but you are with us, and we will continue to take inspiration for you. Thank you very much for serving Pakistan Television in a manner no one else could ever be able to do that.
That's very true, Butcher.
Thank you, Butcher, for all these wonderful words that you have said. And for me, being on Pakistan Television has been a privilege. Although my contribution, I consider, has been very small, like a drop in the ocean, but I have always tried my best to do my best for Pakistan Television, which has always been my first choice, best for my country, because I'm proud to be a Pakistani, and I hope the youth, the young generation, take the same pride in the country and perform to their utmost in whichever field they are serving. So thank you, Butcher, once again. Thank you, Hadia.
You're welcome.
All the best to Pakistan Television always. All my prayers, all my good wishes, all my best feelings for Pakistan Television. Thank you. Anna is like the anchor of English. It was very hard.
Ready? शहाना आप छुप रही हैं इनके पीछे आप जरा सामने हो हाँ जी रेडी